We'll guide you through how to use Wix 57356 XP to design your stunning website effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to wix.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Wix account or create a new one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. Look for the Create New Site button and click on it. Wix will prompt you to choose the type of website you want to create. Select your category, whether it's a blog, business site, or portfolio. Next, you have the option to let Wix ADI, or Artificial Design Intelligence, create the site for you, or you can choose the Wix editor for more customization. If you opt for the Wix editor, you'll be presented with a wide array of templates. Pick one that suits your style and click Edit. Once in the editor, you can customize your site by dragging and dropping elements like text, images, and buttons. To change the text, click on it and a text editor will pop up, allowing you to modify font, size, and color. You can also add new elements by clicking the Push button on the left toolbar. To ensure your site looks great on all devices, switch to mobile view by clicking the mobile icon at the top and make any necessary adjustments. When you're satisfied with your design, click on Preview to see how your site will look to visitors. If everything looks good, hit Publish to make your site live. Remember to connect your domain if you have one, or you can use a free Wix domain. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.